Hey guys, my name is Jake Johnson, and today's before video starts, I like Jason masks because it made me interested to make one, and so we're gonna make us a Freddy versus Jason. If you already got a X-Acto knife, you have to cut the scratches, mark it, sandpaper it, and let's get going, and I'll tell you what you need. Okay, so how are we gonna make this mask? We need this for gray. Take it off, shake it a couple times, now spray it. Okay, if it doesn't have that much, it's okay, you will have enough. Get a little high for the mask. It's okay, so make sure it has a lot of paint on it. But you see the scratches. If you keep on seeing the scratches, it's all fine. Now all you need to do is let it dry, and you'll wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, once it's dried up, we're gonna get these things from JDF Studios. Make sure to let it on a little tighter. Just hold on, it'll take a while. Let me get on. Okay, it's gonna be. Now, squeeze it on there. Now, get a little bit. Now, take it off. You can. Now, get it on. There you go. Now, since it's like that, we're gonna get the other one from JDS Studios. You're probably wondering what it is, but don't worry, you know. So, put that Jason one right there. Got it. Push it. Make sure it's lined up. Now, and now push it. Now be fine. Get the other one. Open it up. Now, we're gonna put that right there. Now, hold something. Now, push it. Push it all the way. Grab it. I'm trying to grab it. Hold on, guys. Now. Oh no! Keep that thing on. If you mean that messed up, fine. Let it push it a little bit. There you go. And once it's like that, we're gonna wait until a moment, and I'll wait for it to dry. Get a damp rag. Get some brown paint. Open it up. Put some at the box, so you make sure. Okay, so make sure to have some. Put it on that damp rag. Spread out. Spread it out to feel like Jason was dirty. Because if you don't, he'll be weak. Because if you remember, he was in the ground. Make him feel like he was in the ground. If you got paint, I got paint on me, but it's okay. You'll be fine with it. some. Get a little bit on there. Especially when you made a mistake, it'll be fine. Get all over on it and make sure to get it on the scratches so you can see it. So put it on. Get some. If you run out of paint, it's okay. Get some. I'm just singing because I like to sing of Big Hush. If you guys don't know about Big Hush, he's a YouTuber who makes Jason masks. I like about him, he gives me a mask from Christmas, and gives me a dog and a shirt. It was very nice of him, and I'll always watch his videos. If Big Hush is watching it, I hope he's proud of me and making masks. And so I'm running out of paint. Get some more. Get more out if you want. Okay, so put it out. Okay, I can see the scratches now. That's perfect. And make sure to get it a little down. Spray anywhere you like. A dog's in danger? Sorry guys, I was just playing around. Get some dirt out. Yeah, so it's really good so far, and as long as you don't mess up, always make sure you get it in the eyes. Guys, it's looking good so far. You may make a mistake, doesn't matter. Now, I think I can see it now. Get your glove on. Get a X-Acto knife. Make sure to don't cut yourself with it, because if you do, you have to let your parents know. Okay, so make sure it will take a while, but don't worry about it. Make it a little deeper so I can see it. Looking good so far. I'm trying to find the, sorry guys, I'm just trying to find the scratch. You can see the white, it doesn't matter. Yeah, okay. I'm trying to find the scratches. It's really hard. It's close. Oh, I see it now. texture, that was great. Now, with some black. Sorry guys, I don't know what's wrong with me, with my voice, but it happens every time. Oh, I forgot the exact knife. Okay, place it on carefully, because if you do that, if you accidentally cut yourself, tell your mother or father to let you know if you do that and give you a band-aid. Okay, so get some black. Roll it inside of it. Make sure it's rubbing like it's spreading out. Now, let's make sure. Okay, I'm trying to make it a good one so I can paint. So make sure to put that on there. Oh man. Wait, oh. Sorry, black. Okay, put it in that eye. Because Freddy beat Jason up real good, and Jason was in the ground for so long. And part 9, he was in the ground, and if you saw him, that was the scariest Jason. And yeah, that Jason scared me. I don't want to hear much about him, but I didn't do in the other movies, and I haven't seen one of them, but I've seen only some of them, but not really. I just seen clips and trailers, know what's happening. I've seen stories about him, and what got me interested in it, it's by Big Hush. He's a YouTuber who makes these masks, if I already said that. So go check him out, and he'll reply to you. You go look at him on Twitter, and make sure, if you care about making masks, I don't care what you create it in your own way. And I will make some masks in the videos, in the next videos in the future. Alright, so put that like that. Put it like it's awesome and bumpy. Yeah. I'm just being ridiculous, guys. Okay, so I don't see the scratches, but feel like we can keep on doing it, but no, it doesn't matter. Now get some clear cloth. Wait, guys. Okay. Use clear cloth. Oh, wait. Almost messed up by something. Yeah. Okay. Use clear cloth. Shake it a little bit. Now spray it. Spray it in the can. Because if you feel like using clear cloth, fine. Use a lot of clear cloth. Make them. Oh, wait, there's a mistake. There's a mistake. Fine. Okay, now it's nice. Now let it dry for just 1 second, and it will be awesome. Okay, once it's dried, I got the straps that go on with it. Now, now that it's done, look at my favorites, Jason. I know this you don't see the scratch, but I can see it. It looks awesome. Looks sturdy. And leave a like, subscribe, and go. If you enjoy this video, go to Big Hush, and I always watch his videos. I hope you watch his videos, and I'll talk to you all later in these videos. Goodbye, guys. Well, it's not over yet, but I want you guys to tell me which mask I can make next. So here's some options I can tell you. Number 1, you choose part 8. Number 2, choose part 5, one of my favorites. Choose that's it's supposed to be 3, but answer 3. Let me do the $25 or the remake. Number 4, do the Dream Warriors of part 5. Number 5, let me do whatever I want to make it. If you tell me if I want to make a part 3, part 4, or whatever that has this on it, or part number 6, I'll do the 8-bit for the straps. I got it from JDF Studios. I'm gonna do one on Monday, but you guys had to do a choice, like which one that I'm gonna do, and you guys can tell me what those options. I'll see you guys at the next video on Monday. Peace.